Hi friends, it's Mrs. Barrett. I'm here in my backyard and I have some things on the table that I was going to use to show you how to make a bird feeder for your backyard. You don't need a lot of things. You're going to need a toilet paper tube, which I have one right here, and I did use a hole punch and I punched a hole on each side. You're going to need some peanut butter. I know not all friends have peanut butter at their house, but maybe you could supplement sun butter instead of peanut butter. And you will need some bird seed. I have some in here. I'm going to sprinkle it in my dish. And some yarn. I cut off a piece of yarn so I can hang up my bird feeder when it's done. So I scooped out some peanut butter and I put it on my plate, and I have a spreader here, and I'm going to just carefully spread it all over my toilet paper tube like that. Cover it up. Keep spreading it. And after I cover it up with the peanut butter, I'm going to roll it around in this little glass dish in the bird seed. So I don't know if you can see that. It's collecting all of the bird seed and it's sticking to the toilet paper tube because there's peanut butter there. And after I roll it around, I'm going to take my yarn and put it through the little holes. Tie it in a knot. And then I have a little hook on my tree, but maybe you could hang it on a branch at your house. And I'm going to just go put it right over here. And there's my bird feeder.